Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my office. My name is Marek. In this episode I will make incredible, super easy and super tasty mashed potatoes with Parmigiano-Reggiano cheese and eggs. Today, simplicity is the key to success. But first, as usual, I would like to present all ingredients that we need to make this extremely delicious dish. Potatoes should be okay now. And they are perfect. Okay. Time to use one of the best food processors ever. 22nd century technology is coming to this office. Okay. Salt. As usual, Parmigiano-Reggiano and butter are making miracles. Okay, potatoes are ready. Classic oil goes on. Eggs looks gorgeous. Time to serve this dish. Amigos, extremely delicious mashed potatoes with eggs are landing on the table. Bon appetit! Well, I have to admit that my appetite since I was born is crazy.